this is Sonia from Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. We are doing our last verse for this series about the Beatitudes. And this is also going to be our last verse we memorize this year, 2025. As I always say, we have our summer holidays now here in South Africa in a few weeks' time. And then, yeah, I'm going to take off a little bit of November and December. And then early January, we will start memorizing scripture again. So this is our last verse, so let's end strong. Matthew 5, verse 9 to 10. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. And yeah, this is such an upside down kingdom. It's just how can we bless when we're persecuted? But we know that God can work all things together for our good. And when we are persecuted or when we're going tough times, that we grow in our steadfastness and perseverance, and we will be made complete, perfect, lacking in nothing, as it says in James 1 verse 5, I think. Anyway, so we're going to put that behind the daily verse. We're going to concentrate on that for the next week. Our old daily verse we are going to put behind even, so we're going to concentrate on that for the even days of the week. Our old even verse we're going to move into the odd section, so we're going to concentrate that on the odd days of the week. Our old odd verse we're going to move into the weekly section. I think I'm going to do Monday because last time we did Sunday, so I'm going to put it behind Monday, and I'm going to take Monday's verse and I can put it in the monthly section. I think we've done 4th last time, so I'm just going to put it behind the 5th. You can do it, choose any time, any place. If you have got fewer verses in some sections, put it in there, but I have memorized scripture for many years, so I've got many memory verses behind each section, so I'm going to put it behind them. So yeah, I hope this week is going to be a blessing for you, and as I said, let's end strong and memorize our last memory verse for 2025. Have a great week. Bye-bye.